Hello guys, this is another Airsoft review on the CO2 M1911 that I got just recently. Really like it. It's a little gangster style. Already used up all the CO2 that I have. I'll show you the clip. There's the CO2. This is where you put all the BBs in there. Put that back in. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this has 420 FPS. If I'm wrong, leave in the comments what it actually is if you know. I would prefer getting this gun. It's got nice wood part right here. It's got some metal parts. Heavy. That's how all CO2 guns are. Yeah. So, if you're thinking about buying this gun, please buy it. Every gun I do get, I'm happy with. Airsoft's just awesome. So, go ahead, search this up. CO2 M1911 or 1911. Right here. Whatever that says. The U.S. Army, February 14th, 1911. Alright, see you guys, subscribe, and see my other videos.